On February 13, 2025, members of the Nyotap Youth Council, Mawlai Circle, led by President Donbok Lang Kharingdo and Vice President Bashan Lingdo Maunai, met with Meecl Energy Corporation Limited Executive Engineer Arju Dakhar at Loom Jingshai. They demanded the immediate repair of all non-functional solar street lights in Mawlai. The solar street lights in Shillong were installed 10 years ago, that is in 2014, with approximately 300 units set up under a project costing around rupees 4 to 5 crores. During the discussion, Arju Dakhar assured the delegation that he would assign junior engineers to inspect the situation within the next few days. He also promised to request the necessary funds from higher authorities for repairs. It may be mentioned that Mawlai alone has around 30 solar street lights that are no longer operational.